Hey, what's going on, guys? This is Eduardo Martinez. I'm here to give you another amazing moving tip to save your life. Okay, well, maybe that's a little bit too much, but I still wanted to give you an awesome tip. Today's tip is going to be on how to properly wrap and protect kitchen knives. Okay, so in today's video, like I did mention, we're going to be wrapping up knives, and I'm gonna show you how to get ready. Sorry about my dog, you could hear him out there, whatever. She's cool. Okay, so my knives. You know what? I'm just gonna continue with this video. Hey, bloopers happen. Okay, so today's video, like I said, I'm gonna teach you how to take care of or how to properly wrap and protect your knives. So first of all, you want to make sure that once they're inside the boxes, they're not going to be shifting around, they're not going to be moving in and out. Keep in mind, the movers or yourself, you could get hurt as you're picking up a box, and I just don't want you guys getting hurt. So this is just what I'm going to go ahead and do. Might seem a little bit exaggerated, but you know what, I'd rather take extra precaution instead of having to go to the hospital. I don't want to get cut up. Okay, so make sure you wrap up enough against the base. Okay, you wrap a layer on top to make sure that your knives aren't going to come out through the middle and they're held on tight to the sides. Okay, well guys, that's today's quick tip from We Move Moving Company. I'll see you next time around. Bye guys.